Hi everyone, Lolo here. Welcome to Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions, where we transform houses into homes and rooms into retreats. I'm Lulu, your guide on this journey of elegance and sophistication. Today we are unveiling a world of unparalleled luxury with our latest video. Beyond lavish, your dream living room. Imagine a space that is the epitome of comfort and class. A living room that's not just part of your home, but the heart of it. In Beyond Lavish, we present to you 40 luxurious living rooms, each with its unique own character, blending sizes and design styles from sleek modern contemporary to rich traditional. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So please don't forget to subscribe for more house tour and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. So without further ado, let's get into it. As I already told you in this video, you will find 40 luxurious living rooms from sleek modern contemporary to rich traditional. Let's begin with the modern contemporary living rooms. Here, less is more. The spaces are defined by their clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and neutral color palettes. They are the embodiment of today's lifestyle, smart, sleek, and sophisticated. Pictures floor to ceiling windows that bath the room in natural light, furniture that is functional and it is stylish, and art that not just seen but felt. As we transition to the traditional living rooms, we step into a world of timeless elegance. These rooms are a nod to the past, with their ornate details, warm woods, and luxurious textiles. But don't be fooled, these spaces are equipped with the latest technologies, ensuring they meet the needs of the modern family while still exuding old warm charm. Whether you are working with a cozy nook or a grand hall, Beyond Lavish shows you how to maximize your space. We reveal the secrets to making a small living room feel grand and how to make a large space feel intimate. It's all about scale, proportion, and most importantly, personal touch. Actually, our video is a celebration of diversity in design. You'll see a spectrum of styles from the bold and avant-garde to the serene and classic. We've curated these living rooms to inspire you, to ignite your imagination, and to show you that luxury is not a one-size-fits-all concept. And what about the futures? In Beyond Lavish, we also delve into the new tendencies in creating an exquisite living room. Sustainability is at the forefront, with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient design taking center stage. Smart home technology integrates seamlessly into these spaces, offering convenience and comfort at the touch of a button. As I mentioned in our website, How to Build a House Beyond Lavish Your Dream Living Room, it's more than a video, it's an inspiration, it's a showcase of what happens when creativity meets luxury and design meets desire. As viewers, we are not just spectators. We are dreamers envisioning our own slice of paradise. And with the new tendency in living room design, we are assured that our dreams can become a reality, one that reflects our values, our lifestyles, and our quest for the extraordinary. And that's it for today's video. Now, if you are as passionate about interior design as we are, we invite you to join our community. Hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest trends and tips in home decor. Give us a thumbs up if you love what you see, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who appreciate the finer things in life. As we wrap up this visual journey, remember that your living room is more than just a space. It's a reflection of your dreams and aspirations. With Beyond Lavish, we hope to have sparked some inspiration for your next project. So take that leap and create the living room you've always desired. And when you do, share your story with us in the comments below. We can wait to hear about your transformation. Remember, for more interior design solutions, keep watching Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Thank you for joining me, Lulu, on this adventure beyond the ordinary into a realm where every living room is a dream come true. Before you go, do me a favor and click that like button if you found inspiration today. Comment with your favorite design from the video and subscribe for more luxurious transformations. Your dream living room is just a video away. Until next time, stay inspired and keep designing. Bye for now.